Alright, so I'm going to do a cover for Saving All My Love for You by Whitney Houston. And I look kind of gross right now. Don't look at my eye or anything. But, yeah. Okay. Thanks for being annoying. Some moments is all that we share. You've got your family and they need you there. So I try to resist being last on your list, but no other man's gonna do. So I'm saving all my love for you. It's not very easy living all alone. My friends try and tell me find a man of my own, but each time I try, I just break down and cry, 'cause I'd rather be home feeling blue. So I'm saving all my love for you. You used to tell me we'd run away together. Love gives you the right to be free. You said be patient, just wait a little longer, but that's just an old fantasy. I've got to get ready, just a few minutes more. Gonna get that old feeling when you walk through that door, 'cause tonight